Well, the judge is now considering this case. The defendant's team of attorneys, which includes representatives from the ACLU as well as the NAACP, are pushing for him to be resentenced and argued today that there was bias when the defendant was sentenced 15 years ago.
This was a big deal. The issue of who gets the death penalty, of who sits in the room that decides who gets the death penalty, is an issue that has roiled this nation from, I don't know, you pick the date.
Hassan Bacote's team is challenging his death sentence, and closing arguments were held today. The black man was sentenced to death in Johnston County by a majority white jury in 2009. That same year, the Racial Justice Act was passed. The law allows capital defendants to challenge their death sentence on the basis that race played a significant factor in decisions to seek or impose the death penalty. 15 years later, the court is now looking at whether race played a role. The ACLU argued that the prosecution of Bacote's case removed black jurors 3 times more often than white jurors. Attorneys representing the state are refuting those claims. A Department of Justice lawyer citing census data says the selected jurors were an accurate representation of Johnston County's demographics at the time of trial.
The state does not condone or defend some of the notes displayed by the defense.
So the judge did not give a date when he would issue his ruling. Ahead at 6 o'clock, how this one particular case could impact others throughout the state of North Carolina. For now, we're live in Smithfield. Elaine Athens, ABC 11 Eyewitness News.